Right now, your gut bacteria may be eating you, not a metaphor, actual biology. When you starve your gut of the right conditions, your bacteria stop breaking down food, and they start digesting the protective lining of your own intestines. That is the hidden trigger behind the brain fog you cannot shake, the bloating that ruins your clothes, the fatigue that makes 3 p.m. feel like midnight. 5 mechanisms, 3 minutes, no supplements required. This is how you fix it. We have been treating gut health completely backwards. We take a probiotic capsule and expect results. But throwing seeds onto concrete does not grow a garden. The soil has to be right first. And most of us, without knowing it, are destroying the soil every single day. The first mechanism is one the wellness industry almost never talks about, and it might be your biggest problem right now. Let the street sweeper work. Your gut has a built-in cleaning system called the migrating motor complex. It runs through your small intestine like a street sweeper, pushing debris and bacteria down where they belong, but it only activates when your stomach is completely empty for at least 90 minutes. Every snack you eat, even a handful of nuts, stops it immediately. The fix: space your meals 4 to 5 hours apart. No snacking in between. That gurgling sound in your stomach between meals, that is the cleaning crew finally doing its job. The next one changed how scientists think about diet entirely, and it takes just 2 weeks to feel the difference. Your gut bacteria are like a garden. Different bacteria eat different plants. If you eat the same 5 foods every week, you are only feeding 5 species. The rest starve, and a starved gut becomes a sick gut. The American Gut Project, one of the largest gut studies ever done, found that people who ate 30 different plant species per week had dramatically healthier microbiomes. This includes herbs, spices, nuts, seeds, and vegetables. Variety, not volume, is what builds a resilient gut. Your gut runs on a biological clock, and it has a day shift and a night shift. Insulin sensitivity and digestive enzymes are strongest in the morning and afternoon. By evening, they drop significantly. Eating a heavy meal at 9 p.m. is like dumping a mountain of work on a crew that has already gone home. The food sits. Blood sugar stays elevated. Inflammation rises. Sleep suffers. The fix: close your eating window by 7 or 8 p.m. Let your gut lining regenerate overnight, without the interference of active digestion. Mechanism 4 has nothing to do with food, but it controls how well you absorb everything you eat. Your gut is wired directly to your brain through the vagus nerve, and your nervous system has 2 modes: fight or flight, and rest and digest. You cannot do both at once. If you eat while stressed, anxious, or rushing, your stomach acid drops. Gut movement slows. Food rots instead of digesting. Gas, bloating, brain fog, all from eating in the wrong state. The fix takes 30 seconds. Before your first bite, take 3 deep breaths. Make the exhale longer than the inhale. This activates the vagus nerve, turns digestion back on, and changes how your body processes everything on your plate. You can do everything right and still be destroying your GU through what you are not aware of. Antibiotics, even in small doses from non-organic meat, act like wildfires in your microbiome. They burn the bad bacteria, but they burn the good ones too. Pesticide residues on fruits and vegetables behave like low-dose weed killer inside your gut. Chlorinated tap water introduces a mild antibiotic into your system with every glass. You cannot build a healthy garden while spraying it with poison every day. Filter your drinking water. It removes chlorine, protects your microbiome. Buy organic for the dirty dozen. Strawberries, spinach, grapes, apples, peppers. Choose organic or grass-fed meat where possible. Reduce passive antibiotic exposure. Stop the attack. Then the healing can begin. Here are 5 things. Start as many as you can today. 1. Space meals 4 to 5 hours apart. No snacking. Let the street sweeper run. 2. Eat 30 different plants this week. Herbs and spices count. 3. Close your eating window by 7 or 8 p.m. Let the gut lining repair overnight. 4. 3 deep breaths before every meal. Turn digestion on before you eat. 5. Filter your water. Buy organic where it matters most. Stop the chemical assault. You do not need a detox tea. You do not need an expensive supplement. You need to respect the operating instructions your body already came with. Your gut lining replaces itself every few days. That means in 72 hours, you could already be healing. Most people wait until the damage is unbearable. You just decided not to wait. Comment below, which of these 5 is your weakest link right now? Subscribe to Health Cipher, real science, made simple, every week. See you in the next one.